Hi guys, hello everyone, welcome back to our Kazakh language lesson. My name is Tilek and today we will dive into numbers. In this lesson we will learn how to count in Kazakh, understand number structure and use numbers in the sentence. Numbers are essential in any language. And Kazakh numbers are quite logical once you get the hang of them. Let's get started. First, let's learn the numbers from 1 to 10. Repeat after me, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now let's count from 1 to 10 together one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once you know 1 to 10, forming larger numbers is easy. 11, 12, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. In Kazakh, two-digit numbers are formed by saying the tens first, then the unit number. For example, 21, 21, 35, 35, 49, 49, 72, 72. Now try to say the following numbers in Kazakh before I give you the answer. 18, 56, 99. So try 18, 18, 56, 56, 99, 99. So let's see common sentence with numbers. I have two books. Meaning iki kitabım var. I have two books. Yeah? She is 25 years old. Ол 25 жаста. We bought 5 apples. Biz 5 alma satып алдық. We bought 5 apples. Biz 5 alma satып алдық. In Kazakh, we say age like this. I'm 30 years old. Мен 30 жастамын. He's 45 years old. Ол 45 жаста. He's 45 years old. Ол 45 жаста. Kazakh uses numbers to tell the time, for example. It is 3 o'clock. Сағат 3. It is 6:30. Сағат 6:30. I will say a number in English and you try to say it in Kazakh before I reveal the answer. 27, 27, 88, 42, 27, 27, 88, 88, 42, 42. So today we'll learn how to count in Kazakh and practice using numbers in sentence. Try to say your age and the current time in Kazakh. Write a comment with a number you learned today. Thank you for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in next lesson. Hoş bulduklar. Bye bye.